Hi and welcome back to Vegan is Yum. If you're looking for a healthy dessert, this is not the one for you. You don't want to be eating this every day unless you have to. I'll start by measuring 2 cups of semolina flour or 400 grams. Oh, maybe I should have started by saying that this is called Basbousa or Nammuura. It's a very common Middle Eastern dessert, usually made in Ramadan to satisfy one's sweet tooth after fasting. I'm adding all the dry ingredients, sugar, baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of finely grated coconut. Then I'll give them a quick mix. You can pause the video to write down the exact measurements or head down to Vegan is Yum website. You will find this recipe and all other recipes from my previous videos. I'll leave a link in the description as usual. Now I'm adding half a cup of vegetable oil or 125 grams. Then fold till the consistency is similar to wet sand. Then 2 tablespoons of agave or heavy dessert syrup and fold again. Add half a cup of milk and fold one more time to mix all the ingredients. Make sure you don't knead it at any point. That's it really, the hard part is done. Transfer the mixture into a baking tray and spread it forming 1.5 to 2 cm thick layer. I chose a circular tray. That might not be the smart choice. If you have a square or rectangular tray, it will be easier to divide into equal pieces. I'm decorating each piece with blanched almonds, but I wish I added more because this is the best part really. You can use any other type of nuts like cashew or even peanuts, but I prefer almonds. You can blanch the almonds by just throwing them into boiling water for a few minutes, and then you can peel the skin off. This goes to the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, or until the top has a nice brown color. While this is in the oven, I'll make the syrup. But before that, I want to thank you for 4,000 subscribers, and it would be great if we can get
1 million
subscribers and also get this video to
100 billion
likes. So 1.5 cups of sugar with 2 cups of water on high heat for 2 minutes. Till it starts bubbling, then add the juice of half a lemon and reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 10 minutes. By that time the basbousa should be ready. I'll take it out of the oven and immediately add the syrup to it. Both should be hot when you add the syrup to the basbousa, so it's a good idea to start making the syrup once you put the tray in. I should have probably pushed the almonds a little more in because they started popping out, but that's not a problem. You can stick them back in once the syrup is absorbed. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes till all the syrup is absorbed before slicing it. The basbousa should double in height and get softer. To serve it, I'll top it with coconut cream, and trust me, you don't want to skip this step. My favorite part is the center bite with basbousa, almond and coconut cream. I hope you like this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and support me on Patreon. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.